celebrate Azadi Ka Mahotsav, Amrit Mahotsav. My heartily congratulations to all of you on this momentous occasion. Independence Day is basically a festival of freedom for all. This was made possible only because of the leaders who have sacrificed their life in order to make us free. As we are living in the free sky just only because of the sacrifices they are made. If I am talking about the flag, it is our pride. We never fall it down because this flag is our like a hat, and I salute this flag in order to make me pride, and it's make pride to all the Indians who are sitting here. This movement is just only because of the sacrifices of the freedom fighters, and they did a bravery deeds. I respect to the memory of the brave leaders, as our India is suffered from a British rule over a 200 years. We are under the British colonial rule, and it is an imagination. You can't imagine that how we get this freedom. This freedom is possible by these leaders. As I am talking about Mahatma Gandhi, he is a father of nation. We are moving because of their principle of truth and non-violence. They give lot of things to us which we are following. Many of leaders have sacrificed and give idea. This idea they are died because of one idea to make the India free, but this idea is incarnate in many of the lives, and today we are proudly say that we are free from the British colonial rule, and we are celebrating this Independence Day. We are bold and free just because of their brave leaders. I also want to respect to all the armed force who are guarded our nation to make us free. And today we are seeing that the women are also upcoming, and in the Olympics you have seen that our women daughters are doing so best. In the last 121 years we are winning lot of Olympics medals, and this is making our India proud. As the pandemic situation is going, we are celebrating virtually. In earlier year it was so difficult, and it is not that much celebration, but now we are covering from that just because of the COVID warriors. I salute to all the doctors who are saving the life of the peoples, and now the enthusiasm and patriotic feeling is not left. It is always in our life, in our mind, and in our heart. I salute my flag. It makes me pride. I am an Indian. It makes aloud. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Namaste.